This is Marveene Sevilla from Ford Global City, and this is the Ford Everest Titanium. In front, the Ford Everest Titanium comes with LED headlights and halogen front fog lamps, and it also has 4 eye sensors for added protection. It comes with 20-inch alloy wheels and a 225mm ground clearance. It also boasts water-wading capabilities of up to 800mm. The Ford Everest Titanium has the new 2.0-liter engine which produces 180 horsepower on a 10-speed automatic transmission. This SUV is equipped with a push-start feature, an electronic power-assisted steering wheel, and 8-inch infotainment system. Get up to 90,000 cash discount plus other freebies on the Ford Everest Titanium. Thanks for watching and stay safe!